Hi, today I'm going to show you this new kind of charger. I don't know if you've seen it before, for the iPhone or any of the gadgets that you have. And this one is black, and it also comes in white. As you can see, it is a little different because this part is much longer when you compare it with the original one, which is this. But what I'm going to show you, what's really fun about this charger, is I'm going to demo it with this charge. Plug it in, and I'm going to demo the black one. So you plug this side in like you would do with a regular USB, and it lights up. Can you see it? So there's a blue light coming out, and then as soon as you plug it into an iPad, it starts moving. The light will go, like it's trying to show you it's charging that. And then what's more cool about it is, I'm going to turn off the light. And then as you can see, the lights are moving like this. It's kind of fun. So that's a little demo of the new USB charger I found. And for the white one, I believe it's the same color. Let's try it. So plug it in like so, like you would with a regular charger. This one, it have a lighter blue. Shut off the light so you can see. Yeah, there it goes. And that's it. Thank you for watching.